Children, let us start. Unit 1, 1.5, The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. The central idea of the lesson. The Necklace or the Diamond Necklace is a short story authored by Guy de Maupassant with Mathilde as the central character. The story highlights the importance of honesty and generosity as opposed to greediness and pretense. In this story, Guy de Maupassant stands true to his signature style of ending the story with a twist. First published in 1884 in the French newspaper Le Gaulois, the story went on to be adapted to numerous films and television shows. Let us learn about the author. Henri Reine Albert Guy de Maupassant was born to a wealthy family in France. His exceptionally well-read, independent-minded mother was a great influence on him in his early years. Soon after his graduation, the Franco-Prussian War broke out. Most of his later work depicted the futility of this war. With Gustave Flaubert as his literary guardian, he went on to become a contributing editor in several leading newspapers. He wrote a number of short stories and novels. His writings often had a pessimistic undertone. He cherished solitude. He wrote 300 short stories, 6 novels, 3 travel books, and 1 volume of verse. His first published story, Bleu de Soif, The Dumpling, 1880, is often considered his masterpiece. Let us see the warming up activity that is given in your textbook, page number 17. Write a few lines about yourself, your name, appearance, family, the place, where you live, your school, your friends, neighbors, relatives, your likes, dislikes, hobbies, what you are good at, etc. in your English notebook. Children, this will build confidence in you and you will be able to express about your own self, your surrounding, your near and dear ones nicely. Now children, when we talk about name, one should be proud of our name. Appearance, you can use lot of adjectives for appearance. Appearance means the way that somebody, something looks or seems. For example, a different hairstyle or a proper haircut can completely change your appearance. Common adjectives that are used to describe a person's appearance can be strong, tall, big, handsome, steady, rough, tough, charming, robust, protective, powerful, aggressive, funny, arrogant, hardworking, and many more adjectives like this can be used. For example, there are different ways to say you are beautiful. You look gorgeous, you look as pretty as always, attractive, stunning, super cute, absolutely fantastic, etc. Similarly, you can use wonderful sentences to describe and tell about your family members, your place, your school, friends, etc. Children, now create an imaginary persona for yourself. It can be quite different from your real self, or you may choose a fictional character, a character from a novel, story, etc. Write a few lines about this imaginary persona and introduce yourself in that role. Children, just see, next one is my dream possession. Is there something that you would like to own more than anything else? For everyone, there is some or the other thing which a person has as his or her dream. Describe your dream possession with the help of the following points. You may add your own points too. Your dream possession in the center, that is my dream possession, as you will be using first person. Its appearance, color, shape, size, etc. When we talk about dream possession, whatever thing you possess or whatever you wish for, you need to know its use. Is it really useful to you, or you just need it or want it just because others have it? Is it essential? That also you have to see. Where you saw it first. It may happen so, children, that whenever you think of something, especially small children, they are very fond of toys. If you see them playing, and if another child appears, the other child demands for same kind of toy that he wishes to possess, just because you want you have seen it and you need it. This shouldn't work. What would you use it for? You should know its use. When you're buying something, utilizing, investing the amount of your parents or even your own hard-earned money in future, you should know its use. Unnecessarily just accumulating the things that are really not necessary for you, it is just waste of money, energy and time. How would you use it? If you really have that possession, how you are going to use it? You need to be very careful in using the thing because it is precious for you. Why you want it so much? If you are desperate about getting something in your life, for example, if we talk about career, when we are desperate in achieving our goals in our graduations, or if somebody wishes to be an engineer, naturally that person is going to work very hard. Okay, because you know, and that person knows its importance and practical implementation in its of the education that the person is getting. What you would do to get it? Children, when we talk about it, the dream possession, we have to work hard on it. We do not have to depend on others for the purpose of getting a particular thing. It's good that we ourselves strive hard and achieve our goals, our dream possessions in life. In our next video, we will be starting with the necklace part 1 lesson explanation.